La la, la la, ah, la la, lulu, la la, woohoo, woohoo. Hi my people, hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Ha, uko wapi? Nyumbani? Kazini? Mimi nishafika nyumbani. Nataka kupika chakula. Leo tunakula mboga, ugali, or cornmeal na mayai. Yeah. Lakini kwa leo nataka tu kuwajulisha kitu kidogo tu. That one trick you'll add in your mayai, eggs. And it will be yes, that one thing. I tell you, you will never eat fried eggs without it. I've done my mboga. It is just sukuma wiki and amaranthus leaves. Yeah, I've added the two. And you know the benefits of amaranthus? Let's see. Yeah, and my mboga is there. Green veggies with onions. You know I'm always generous with my onions while cooking. Yeah, with my onions, you can see I love when my food has so much onions in it. Yeah, so that is my mboga. I told you it's kale, sukuma wiki and amaranthus leaves. That's what we'll have. Na mayai and ugali ama cornmeal. Yay, food for two. Me and my doggo. Karibuni. Aha, you see? And I want to eat it while green. I told you people, sisi tunaishi nyumbani kule ushago, shambani. Haya basi, karibuni jikoni kwangu. Haya, that's enough. Let me cook ugali or cornmeal and then mayai. And that's my water for the cornmeal for the ugali. Na sisi kwetu, we were told that if you want to cook that nice ugali, ile imeiva kabisa, you have to add some unga like that. I don't know the reason behind adding that unga, but I can never stop doing that because I was born and raised. I saw my mom doing that. I saw everyone doing that. So even me, I've continued with the culture. Oh my goodness. But if you know the reason why we add unga, a little bit of unga, please tell me in the comment section so that I may know. But up to now, I just do it. So let's wait for my water to boil. We cook. Aha. Then mayai baadaye. Yay. So you see, my water is boiling. Boiling. Then we start adding some unga. I want to enjoy this ugali. But be careful not to put so much. Just a little by little. Then you leave it to cook like that. Unaona inachemka. Yeah. Thank you mama for teaching me all these. Haya, halafu tunaanza kukoroga. Yeah. Yes. 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 You see? I want to enjoy that. mboga from my garden, mayai from the chicken I fuga, hey, ugali from maize yenyewe ile imetoka nyumbani. Life is good. Yes, we are there. We are there. Don't worry. This is my kitamba for holding my sufuria. I don't know what happened to my sufuria, but the handle is broken. Oh my goodness. You see? Ugali ya nyumbani. Ugali ya nyumbani. Inaiva. I love it. My ugali is almost done. Almost. Almost done. So that is our ugali. Cornmeal. Yes. Sasa hivi ni kuikula tu. Mayai nimefunika, inaiva, my mboga is ready, so it will just be one touch. Serving and direct into my stomach. Life in the village. You see, even the type of ugali is not that white, that soft. Na hiyo ndio inashika tumbo. Yes. And my friends from the Western, you know what I'm talking about. Hey. So those are my mayai. I've managed to get 7. I told you people that I have chicken. Yeah, so I've got those ones. I think I'll just pick a few, then I leave some for tomorrow. I'll make pancake. So kwa saivi, my son is laughing watching cartoon. Oh my God. No, don't worry, you'll soon see his face. He's loading. Yeah, those are my mayai for today. Yeah. You see, I got free mayai, free eggs. Hey. And some we ate the other day. Now, my people, I was talking about this. This is ginger. Never forget this while cooking your mayai or fried eggs. Don't forget this. You can either grate or you can either bonda. I don't know, you gonga somewhere. You can in this kinu. Yeah. Like right now nataka kuigonga hapa. Or you can grate. This performs magic. You will never eat your fried eggs without this. And please love ginger. Love ginger. Love ginger. Yeah, so this is my magic trick for the fried eggs. Feel free to use it. For real, you'll get me the results. One day you'll tell me, oh, Unijax, Nyarminawala. Thank you for the trick. Yes, yeah. Let's see the end results. And then sometimes you find that when you I don't know, is it kugonga or something? You can correct me there. I don't know the correct word to use. You find that zinaanguka from here, zinamwagika. So maybe umeweka kitunguu saumu and ginger, you want to gonga like that, you find that inamwagika. For you to avoid that, just take a little salt kidogo tu, then you add. Then when you'll be beating it like that, aianguki. Yeah, it doesn't come out from the kinu. So you'll just be unagonga tu kama it's there. You see mine, I told you it is just a little bit of ginger. So let me do that. Then after you've added your you've put your oil, onions, then you add ginger, then you'll add your tomatoes. After that, if you like it maybe with other spices, but me, I don't like so much spices in my fried eggs. It is just ginger and onions, ginger, onions and tomatoes. It's enough. So if you love more and more, maybe you want to add coriander, that's up to your taste. Yeah, then you'll add your tomatoes. After that, if you like it maybe with other spices, but me, I don't like so much spices in my fried eggs. It is just ginger and onions, ginger, onions and tomatoes. It's enough. So if you love more and more, maybe you want to add coriander, that's up to your taste. Yeah. Hey. That is my fried eggs. The smell. Ooh. Ay, 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 ay. You need to visit me. Hi. We eat these simple things but very delicious. Inaiva tu pole 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 pole. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Steam is coming out. That's why you can see it's whitish. So that is my end result. My food, ugali, cornmeal. This one here. I have my veggies. I have my eye. Yeah, that is what we want to have right now. And maybe, as they say, mboga should be a lot, then proteins kiasi, alafu starch kidogo tu. So that is enough for me for today. I hope it's so yummy. I can't wait to taste this. This is my mayai. Africa tunakula kwa mikono. We use our own fingers. You don't need those fork and the cutlery. Yeah. The smell of ginger. I love it. You guys, please don't forget to add ginger in your fried eggs. And let's talk about benefits of amaranth leaves. Yeah, we call them, how do we call them? Mchicha or something. Nimesahau, but I'll let you know in the comment section. I'll just pin it somewhere up here so that you can see. Please don't forget to add ginger. I'm still eating it. Yummy. That is my mboga, you see. They are just some simple things. Oh my goodness. So simple but very yummy. I see. I'm even taking my eye. My eye is here. I've mixed the three: ugali, mboga, mayai. Now this is the way you mix the three. Take ugali, take mboga, then you take mayai. You see? Then to my mouth. Karibuni.